And now we're jumping to the escrow contract. So the cool thing about this escrow contract that it's the contract that's going to be used by CodeHawks for the marketplace. So you can provide auditing service, and buyers can come and look for audit services, and they can pick you as a personal sole auditor through CodeHawks marketplace. And this smart contract should be the escrow contract that will lock the money between the buyer and the seller. So the buyer is locking the money in this contract, and the seller is getting the money while the work is done. And this contract is very well written because it was written by the team, I guess, by either by Patrick or by Hans Fries or I don't know who, but it was pretty solid. The pot was pretty high, $40,000, and I didn't find any high severities there. There is only one medium severity. I'm not even sure that it will be accepted. Yeah, it was written by Patrick and Alex. Yeah. Sometimes just some of the exercises that you went through the course, you can really find those same issues in code bases. Sometimes it's a bit more challenging, but that's why we are here, right? We're improving every single day. I highly recommend you really jump to the water, try those contests. Now, if you didn't participate in them, try maybe to read my findings, to do shadow auditing to them, see if you can find something before you read the findings, but eventually you will get there. You just have to keep working hard, improve this muscle of like auditing, of reading code bases fast and understanding the different state transitions, and it will be awesome.